Hey you guys, it's Marcy Sauter, the Rusty Blonde. Welcome back to my channel today. I'm super excited. Today's the 1st, which means it's planner day. I get to go through my baby and switch her up for August. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. Okay, you guys, here it is. I'm gonna start by removing all of my clips and putting them back. I know I have a ton of pretty in pink. Which I will be doing a video next week on my total planner clip organization. If you're interested in seeing my entire planner clip collection along with exactly how I organize it all. I love the 1st of each month because I seriously love doing this, you guys. It is so fun. And it's also pretty. I mean, look at all these clips. So fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those back. Take my die cuts, set them aside. And you guys, I've been pretty indecisive about this whole Disney thing, but I think I just totally changed my mind and I'm doing Disney this month. I can't hold off anymore because it's so stinking cute. So I'm gonna leave those there in case I use that. Oh, I know, because look at this for Disney. So cute, the rose. And you guys, this is even more special because I lost my son when I was 7 months pregnant, and I don't know if you guys have seen the video, but I can link it up above. It was a little tribute to him because it was 10 years ago that it happened. And the diamond, he's an April baby, so diamond is actually his birthstone, and a rose is a rose and a heart is my symbol for him. So that makes it even a little more special. Okay, what else am I taking out? I'm gonna leave her, my calendar, YouTube. Oh, I'm gonna take this out. Okay. And I think that's it, yes. Okay, so now let's start. Disney, here we come. You guys, I've been waiting for so long. Look how stinking cute these are. Look at that baby Yoda. Oh. Okay, let's just do this because I know exactly how I want it set up. I've been dying to do Disney. Look how beautiful that is. And wait for it, I wanted to use a bow. And this one matches perfect. This gorgeous teal bow. Yes. Look at that, you guys. Okay. On to my clips. How do I want this? This is the best part, you guys. Baby Yoda, cutest little guy ever. Castle. Too high. And we'll see. I'll just place these and then I'll determine if I want to move them. Maybe crown up here. That's where I put the crown last month. Cinderella's shoe, you guys. This is just the greatest. You guys, if you haven't tried doing monthly planner clips, it is so much fun. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. Disney, here we come. I miss Disney. Such an awesome, fun place. Okay, well, that was super easy because I love that. and I think 7 clips is enough. But look at what I found in printed. This is a quote from Belle. A tribute to Belle. I don't judge a book by its cover. And then this one for Cinderella. If the glass slipper fits. Oh, that is just too perfect. I don't know. I kind of like both of them. Maybe I'll put a coffee with the blue. I don't know. But let's get some die cuts out. Let's pull my favorites out. Definitely have to use the dress because it's kind of like a princess dress. So I'm going to use that again. Maybe even in the same spot. Maybe not. Lipstick, perfume. You guys, I'm so excited to be using my Disney stuff. Ooh, I could do a teal. That would be pretty. Or the pink. Ooh, I think I kind of like the teal though. To cover my Costco card. Yeah, that's cute. And I definitely need something here because it's blank, you know. Maybe the dress will go there. That's pretty cute. I have the perfume. Do I have another set of die cuts? No, is that it? Oh, I forgot. These are the ones I just removed. So I could keep my, I could keep my Starbucks one there. Nope, it hangs too low. Okay, I guess it is what it is, and I'm just gonna keep my two little themes here, or my two little sayings here that goes along with my theme. Aren't those so cute? I found those on Google. Okay, so maybe a lipstick, because every month I use the same little die cuts because they're so cute. But okay, I want something there. Maybe the perfume again, you guys. Yep. Okay, I think that's it. You guys, that was so easy this month because I've been dying to do this. Okay, so let's do a quick flip through of everything that I have set up. So this is my dashboard, my adorable Disney clips. This is a dashboard I created and just put all these little mini sticky pads on. I love this thing. My little page marker, I made her too, bought some Clipart. My yearly calendar. This is my YouTube divider. I love this. I will link all of the shops down below as always. I try really hard to do that. So this is my calendar. This is from Minted Sugar. And I like it because it starts with Monday and then the Saturday and Sundays over here. I use this just to plan out my YouTube videos and decide what I'm going to do each month. This is a notes section. Look at this cute little page marker. So cute. That's a notes section for YouTube as well. This is actually my notes section. And I just have a coupon for free coffee there. Some lined paper. And then this divider is super cute. I use it for my celebrations. It's for birthdays, anniversaries, and important dates I want to remember. This month I have 3 birthdays, so that's exciting. This little page marker here, my weekly menu, which I will sit down and do this Sunday and plan out my week. Ooh, I know that tomorrow night we are having dinosaur tacos. Have you guys ever had dinosaur tacos? I don't know. But it's the cutest thing ever, and I already told my family that I'm going to film it because it is so cute, and it just makes dinner so fun if you have kids. We all love dinosaurs because my son Blake is just infatuated with dinosaurs. Loves them from the time he was little. So that will be a video I do soon as well. So this is another page marker, my groceries marker there. And these I just created in Excel. It's my grocery shopping list. It makes it really convenient, and I just mark what I need and then pull this out and use it to grocery shop. It's awesome. Another adorable Chanel 5 page marker. These are so cute. I'll link her shop down below. Well, I'll link all my shops. But then my online shopping tracker, because I'm still waiting for something I purchased back at the beginning of May. Freaking China. Another little page marker. Okay, and this, you guys, I switched out all of my envelopes. I learned how, with a bunch of trial and error, how to make my own side loading envelopes. They are pretty awesome. I only have one with money in it, but just so you know, the money doesn't even slip, so don't even worry about it. It doesn't come out. I guess unless you stretch it out and stuff, but I haven't had that problem. So these are great. These are the original, where are they? Let me just show you the original envelopes I was using. They're all top loading, which these are great too. I love these as well, but I decided to try my own so that I could have side opening envelopes. So there's the difference. Obviously the laminated are a little thicker and stiffer than these. These are like a, I don't know, a plastic or something. But so I'm switching that out to see with Corona in town, we have not been using cash very often, but I went ahead and set it up anyways because I'm hoping to. I'm hoping, you know, looking forward to the day that everything goes back to normal. So I put new registry sheets on all of this. This is my budgeting section. So I have groceries, household, pets, beauty, a clothing fund, commission fund. That's the money we pay our kids for the work that they complete. And then we have gifts because we have tons of birthdays and celebrations in my family. And then I have our family fund, date night, and then my fund, which is empty because I just put all of the money I had in here into our Disneyland fund. So that's fun. I almost pulled out my debit card for you guys all to see my number. Jeez. Anyways, okay, these are my card holders. I have covered all of my cards just using my adorable, fun, and new business cards. I love them. And then in this back one, I use it for gift cards, you know, movie tickets and whatnot. Here is a top loading that I keep a check in and a little sheet of stamps. And then one more to hold just extra business cards that I want to hand out if I need to. So, and then in the back, I have my pen, which I'm going to switch this out to purple because I've had this one in for a while and have been using it. And then I have my emergency contact sheet. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this setup. It is so much fun to do. If you have not done a monthly planner setup, it is a ball. I absolutely love doing it. So I will link everything I can down below as always. So if you see something you want and you can't find a link for it or whatever, don't be afraid to comment because I will get back to you. I will respond. I really appreciate all of the likes, the comments, the subscribers, and everything. The other thing I'm going to do is I am going to be doing a giveaway. 2 giveaways are coming up in the next month or so, and I just realized I forgot I wanted to use my Beauty and the Beast thing. So I'm going to put this on right here. My first, yeah, I forgot my Beauty and the Beast dangle. Now it's there. Okay, so anyways, I will be doing 2 giveaways. One geared towards planner items, the other geared towards my what's in my bag videos. I have playlists on both of those with multiple videos, so feel free to watch those. And for those of you new here, Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see future videos, and then obviously future information on my giveaways and such. I'll be giving out details along the way as I prepare to do my giveaway. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Here's a last glimpse of my planner this month. So cute, totally Disneyed out. Busy the way I love it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on my next video. Bye.